Hello brushlings and welcome to my channel. I would describe it as a ZBrush tool library. Let me introduce my assistant Clara.
So what? You're a ZBrush guru now?
I'm not a guru, no. I'm a self-taught 3D artist, which means I would be able to teach you some practical things.
So you're here to save the day.
Hey, we're here to introduce my channel. Why are you interrogating me? 3D applications can be sometimes difficult and demotivating if the tools are too complex.
30 seconds? How can you cover everything in such a short time?
No one wants to watch hours of modeling just to get one tool explained, so I decided to create a library.
Besides, what makes this special?
I show the process of how I create my characters, and I create many of them, as you can see here. There are some defects with this lady. Trying to fix that. And there will be many more characters coming up. Well, for the more complex videos, there is a Skillshare link on my bio. But it looks like Mark wants to say something.
We are aware you need to be members for Skillshare. Stick around for more complex ZBrush videos on YouTube.
See, Clara, that's how you do it.